In this video, we'll show you how to set up Elgato Prompter with Facecam Pro, including mounting onto your setup, attaching Facecam Pro to Prompter, and the basics of control through Elgato Camera Hub. First, here's what comes with your Prompter. Prompter with the integrated 9-inch display, an L bracket for mounting cameras, a backplate for use with Facecam Pro, a ring backplate used for attaching Prompter directly to the front of a lens. Additionally, 9 step-up rings which attach to your lens, a universal backplate with a shroud for use with any camera, a braided USB 3.0 Type A to Type C cable with a special 90-degree connector, a cleaning cloth, and a quick start guide. Now, time to mount Prompter in your setup. This could be on master mount on your desk, master mount on a weighted base, a tripod, or even Wave Mic Arm LP, which is really nice. You have a lot of flexibility. Prompter has 2 1/4-20 thread mounting points. In general, you will be wanting to use this one further towards the back for the best balance. We'll begin by showing Prompter with master mount. When connecting Prompter to a master mount, instead of spinning the entire assembly to thread it on, try this. Loosen the ball joint on master mount, hold Prompter up to the screw thread, and then spin the ball mount screw into Prompter. Then, once tight, lock down the ball mount. Now for setting up Prompter with Facecam Pro. For this, ensure you have the backplate for Facecam Pro installed. Next, you will need Facecam Pro's monitor mount removed to continue. To remove it, you can either use a screwdriver or flip up the handle here to loosen the screw and remove the mount. Attach Facecam Pro to the top side of the L bracket. The top side has these 2 side portions. You don't need to tighten it all the way just yet. Keep it a little bit loose for adjustment later. Now it's time to attach the L bracket onto the back of Prompter. Here you will want to thread the thumb screw into Prompter. Before tightening it fully down, raise and lower the L bracket as needed until Facecam Pro lines up with its backplate. Since Facecam Pro is still loose, you can slide Facecam Pro snugly into its backplate. Now is when you can tighten down both the L bracket and Facecam Pro. Prompter has 2 cold shoe attachment points on the top 2 front corners. These can be used for attaching lights, microphones, or any other lightweight accessories. Be careful with heavier accessories, as they will place more stress on your mount. Now, it's time to connect. Prompter connects to your PC or Mac using an included USB 3.0 cable. The special 90-degree bend on the Type-C connector is handy for neat routing around your setup. You won't need to install any drivers when connecting to a PC. However, for macOS, you will need to have Camera Hub 1.8 or later installed for Prompter to function. When you connect Prompter, it will appear as another monitor with a resolution of 1024 by 600. Be sure to open the display settings of Windows or macOS to reposition Prompter's display to reflect where it is physically in relation to your monitor, up above, to the side, etc. Since Prompter behaves like just another monitor or display on your computer, you can move videos, web browsers, presentations, chat windows, or even games onto the display. We won't tell anyone. Lastly, Camera Hub includes some powerful functions that integrate with Prompter. Inside of Camera Hub, you'll find a new tab on the top left, next to Camera and Effects, called Prompter. Inside of this new tab is all the new features and controls. Here on the right is where you can paste text from your scripts. It can be broken up into sections we call chapters. You can add new chapters by clicking on the plus button here. Using Camera Hub or your Stream Deck, you can jump to specific chapters as needed during use. At the top left, you can control brightness of the display itself. Content type allows you to switch between scrolling text like from a script, showing chat from a live stream, or display, where Prompter behaves like a normal monitor, with no overlays. Below that, you can customize the look of your text, with options such as font type, size, margin, color, background color, and the opacity for both, allowing you to place your script on top of another program like a video call, with your script being partly transparent. At the bottom, you can control scroll speed, and if Prompter continues to scroll when reaching a new chapter. Switching to chat mode allows you to see a real-time chat feed of Twitch channels. You can add Twitch channels into Camera Hub and switch between which is shown at the tap of a key on Stream Deck. Prompter pairs perfectly with Stream Deck Pedal. Start and stop scrolling, change chapters, and more with the tap of your foot. You're now set up with Prompter and Camera Hub and ready to begin creating. We've also created a video talking all about which cameras can work with Prompter, from field of view and focal length to weight, and even 3D printing your own parts. Links again are in the description. If you need help with your Prompter or with Camera Hub, please reach out to our support team. Or if you have any questions about what we demonstrated in this video, let us know in the comments down below. Subscribe to us here on YouTube to learn how to get the most out of your Prompter and other Elgato products. Thanks for watching.